Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check if your Fiverr gig is active. This is an essential skill for any seller on the platform, as keeping track of your gig status ensures you're actually receiving orders and staying visible to potential buyers. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your seller profile and gigs. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find an option labeled My Business. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Gigs. This section is your central hub for managing all your active, paused, and draft gigs, giving you complete control over what's live on the platform and what's not. Once you're in the gigs section, look at the top menu where you'll see different tabs representing various gig statuses. Click on Active. This tab displays all the gigs that are currently live and available for buyers to purchase. If you see your gig listed here in the Active section, then congratulations, your gig is confirmed to be active and visible to potential clients browsing Fiverr. However, if you don't see your gig under active, don't panic just yet. It's possible your gig might be in a different status. Check the other tabs such as pause, draft, or any other available status categories. If your gig appears under paused, it means you've temporarily stopped accepting orders for it. If it's in draft, it hasn't been published yet and is still being edited. Understanding where your gig is located will help you take the right action to get it active again if needed. By following these simple steps, you've now confirmed whether your Fiverr gig is active and ready to attract buyers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.